This is Pin Studio page, and here you get to apply the parameter. You get to apply the templates over product images. You can play with the settings. You can see which one is going to look good on your product. And that settings will be applied over your generated pins in this calendar page. So here, let us show into how it works. First, I will choose a product. I will choose this one. And if your products are in the green, choose the green setup palette as your default and turn all off. I will save it and choose the font based on your brand. I will use the default one that have been chosen carefully. And choose the templates. By default, all of the templates are chosen and keep that as it is. All these templates will be applied over your product images. And you can play with the form. These forms will be used to decide your interest. Pin titles and description, you can update these, but keep it as it is. Your other types of tune like informative question listicles, but for e-commerce, which is the Shopify, we keep it e-commerce. And we keep the language as English if your audience is US speakers or UK speakers. Or you can update it to any other language like Ethiopian language. And this is the product. And these are the in for this product. You can see it. You can shuffle it. You can see how it is going to look like. There are a lot of variation. You can also schedule the pins by form here. You can choose the template by form here. And you can then schedule that from here currently. This 27 slot is left out. I will schedule it over that. And all other dates are already picked up. They are fully booked. Or you can do this from 8th. All these slots are available. I can choose one. I can choose from here directly. And you can update the templates. As I told you earlier, you can also apply the color palette from here and update this. You can also choose any other color palette, but I think for green setup, only the green will look good. And you can also update this with the image. For example, center, right? Center. But the default one, the center is very good here, very nicely. It fits in some product. You will send a character each and every on the right side and bottom right side. So in that case, you will be choosing this bottom right. But for this, I will be choosing center. You can also convert it into a cover or contain. And if you already work with the Canva, other software, image editing software, you know that cover stretches it out completely and there is no empty spaces. And that is the best one. This is the default one. You can update this outbound URL. This is chosen based on your product, so don't update it. And if your Pinterest account is new, you will be enabling this. For new accounts, you don't have to upload without URL. You have to upload it without URLs. And this can be enabled or disabled by settings for all the pins. But for now, let it enable. You can update all text. This is generated by the AI. You can update the title. You can update the description. You can also update this image. Only text if you don't like it, if you increase it. For example, I will increase it this one. As you can see, the font size adjusted accordingly so that it fits into this. If some of you ask me that, why not just use Canva? In Canva, you have to adjust the font size, but here you don't have to adjust the font size. And once you are satisfied, you will hit the schedule button. You can also hit this toggle button and it will apply those templates, those color palettes randomly. And in this way, you can generate it one by one. You can also play with these prompts, prompt templates, these prompts, and hit the generate button and it will regenerate all these titles and description. And here, you will be generating and scheduling each pins one by one, but I recommend you to generate all these pins in bulk. Using this, first, update those settings from here. For example, I chose the green setup color palette. and I chose all the templates. And once you're satisfied, go to Setting and Generate. 30 days worth of pins directly from here. Instead of generating one by one, you will be generating bulk setup pins. And then you approve or disable or edit them over here. This is faster. The beauty of Pinterest is that it rewards consistency. That is large number of pins over large number of days. Instead of wasting your time in perfecting every pin, spend your time in generating more pins. Staying consistent. Don't focus on perfection. That's all.